motivational story.
Ka and the kind treat. This is Amma. Amma is sitting down. She looks cold. She wishes for something warm. Oh, I need fire, Amma says. I need sticks to cook my food. I want to make a yummy vada. Up on the roof is Ka. Ka is a big black crow. He watches Amma from his spot high above. Ka sees the fireplace. Ka sees no sticks at all. Ka knows how to help Amma get warm. Ka flies away fast. Flap, flap, flap. Ka goes looking for little brown sticks in the woods. Ka finds a good, strong stick on the ground. Ka holds the stick tightly in his black beak. Ka flies back to Amma. He drops the stick right by Amma's feet. Plop! What a nice surprise. Amma laughs. Thank you, kind Ka. Amma makes a fire with the stick. She cooks a round, yummy, warm vada. Amma takes out the warm vada. She holds it out. This treat is for you, Ka, she whispers. Ka eats the yummy snack quickly. He was kind to Amma, and Amma was kind to him. Kindness comes back to you.